as what I've experienced as youth from Lampung, Indonesia, I knew that sanitation is not a very interesting topic for youth. We still got so many people that I want to say uneducated or haven't touched this field yet. Not very interesting issue for youth. And as from the marketing perspective, from the marketing aspect, related to that, how do you make this issue more appealing and relevant for young people?
So I definitely want to say that you've done a start with this podcast, and this is something definitely which is, making a difference. But with sanitation, there's a lot. So I think I somewhat agree with you, somewhat disagree with you. People don't know the amount that sanitation covers, right? If you're a great youth who collects plastics, that's also sanitation. If you're working in water, that's also sanitation. So I think definitely, they are interested. But yes, talking about toilets, if that's specifically what we say, it's not glamorous. I absolutely agree with you, because it, we always imagine dirty toilets or stinky toilets, so they don't like to talk about toilets. But what I feel is now changing, and a lot of the government and other partners across the globe are focusing on how important sanitation is in our daily life. If you don't have a safe place for your morning relations, you have a ruined life, you have a ruined day, and that's why better life every day. But I think one of the simplest way of doing this is, I have a few examples from Asia. One of the link from India, we actually have a very successful Bollywood film which is talking about sanitation. The sanitation is the hero there.
Tell me more about
The
it.
hero there. And that obviously started with the government funded project, which was Swachh Bharat Mission, which was let's get toilets made so that people can use it. So I think there is, the trend is changing, and people like you will change the trend. But yes, sanitation was never really glamorous, but there are lots of ways of doing it. That could be, let's get more youth involved, let's get a song. I saw the beautiful hand washing that you had done. That was lovely. How can we make it more fun? Because if we have people talk about it more, when sanitation actually comes onto the table, dinner table conversations, is when we can see a drastic change happening, which is happening, but yes, a little bit more is required.